Kia ora Year 11 and Year 12. This is a request from Sahisnu for a question about arc length. So it comes out of Theta, it's Theta exercise 1202, and it's a question that goes like this. So the circle's got a radius of 12 centimetres, and A and B are points on the circumference. The chord AB is 8 centimetres long. So let's draw that in. So here's point A, here's point B, and the radius is 12, and the chord AB is 8 centimetres long. And what we're asked to find is the length of this minor arc around here. So the key to working with the circular measure part of level 2 trig is to always work in radians. And we know that the formula we're going to end up using for the arc length is this one. S is equal to R theta. So we need to know two things. We need to know the radius, and we've got that, and we need to know theta. So theta is this angle in here. There are a couple of ways to do this question. You can do non-right angle trig here now, so you can use that, but I would rather do this question using Year 10 trig, which is to say that we can find a right angle triangle, right? So we've got 4 here, 12 centimetres here, and a right angle here. So all I've done to do that is I've just split that triangle down the middle. Now what does that let me say? Well, sine of theta on 2 is equal to 4 over 12. This is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse side. So half of theta is the angle whose sine is 4/12 or 1/3, and that gets me theta on 2 is equal to 0.339837. So make sure you're working in radians. Theta is 2 times that, which is 0.6797. So now we're ready to find the arc length. So the arc length will be 12 times 0.6797, which is 8.156086. I would shorten that to 8.2 centimetres, but the book actually has left it at 8.156 centimetres. Okay, so there you go. So the main thing to remember there is that often we can break down a problem to find a right angle triangle, and also when you're using the arc length formula or the one for the area of a sector or a segment, you have to be working in radians. If you try to do it in degrees, it all just comes unstuck and it gets into a big mess. Thanks for watching. If you've got any other requests, just let me know and I can video them for you.